currently not raining in Chicago, so let's celebrate with a baseball game between the White Sox and the Tigers. James Shields facing Matt Boyd, as Boyd gives up a tie-breaking two-out ribby single to Tim Anderson, bottom two. White Sox on top 2-1. Let's check out Shields' top three. He's looking good, getting both Nicholas Castellanos and Victor Martinez on strikes as Shields would pitch into the sixth inning. Bottom three now, two on the board. Geovany Soto gives that one a ride down the line. Three-run shot. Hill holds up 5-1. Let's go bottom four. Now a 6-1 game. Two on the board for Matt Davidson. He follows suit. A three-run shot of his own off Anibal Sanchez. White Sox break it open. It's 9-1. Make it 10-1, bottom seven. It is Soto once again. Number two on the day. You get the idea. White Sox crush the Tigers 11-2. Geovany Soto's multi-homer game, a long time coming, having last done so before Thursday in September of 2011. The Tigers host the Red Sox in their home opener Friday. The White Sox continue their homestand against the Twins.